flip-flop table is a folding table that has various functions for 21st century's class use. Its main function is as an additional table in the classroom that can be used for discussion activities or group presentations, in accordance with this 21st century learning method. Its side function is as an additional storage space for students where plastic bottles will be used as storage compartments. Its side functions are not limited to storage space only, in fact, can also serve as a vase, reward chart and so on. In addition, there is a whiteboard on the back of the board where it can be accessed when the table is in use. This will further facilitate the process of discussion or presentation.